Here's how to understand implied volatility in the spot Forex market. So here's what you need to know, and then we'll get into exactly how you can use it to find better entries and exits in your trading. So implied volatility is just the options market telling you, the spot Forex trader or the ES trader, it's saying this is the full range, that the range of movement that we as options traders believe that this currency pair like the euro dollar is going to move over the next year, over the next month, over the next week. Or here is the range that we believe, the ES is going to move over the next month, the next day, the next week, right? And so options traders are putting their hard-earned cash down and they're betting their money and they're saying this should be the range of movement. Now, how do you use that to find great entries and exits? Well, it starts with a mathematical calculation where we take an annualized implied volatility numbers and we break them down into daily levels in what's called first, second, and third standard deviation. So if you click on any of the majors, this is for September 4th, you just click on euro dollar, and what it pulls up for you is it pulls up the low and the high, first, second, and third standard deviation. So from current prices, this is released in the morning London time, the low would be 116.04, and then the second standard deviation would be 115.47, and the third would be 114.90, right? And so what these levels are telling you is these are the turning points that options traders believe. First standard deviation, according to a statistical assumption of normal distribution, there should be 68% of the time price should stay between these bounds. 95% of the time between these bounds, the second standard deviation, and 95% of the time, or 99% of the time rather, in the third standard deviation. So all this, to make it really simple, all this means is that options traders are saying really good chance of a turning point if the euro dollar is falling are these levels here. Really good chance of a turning point if the market's rising, these levels here. And we can use this for take profits, for entries, for reversals. It's really an incredible tool, and we've been loving it here at Financial Source. So check it out, financialsource.co, and see what you think. Let us know your feedback.